Hey everybody, so today we have a interesting problem. The problem is you have 25 pens and pencils in your pencil pouch. You have 3 more pencils and pens. Right? One left. A, write a system of linear equations to represent the situation. B, how many of each do you have? Well, in this video of Let's Talk Math, we're going to solve this problem. So, the first part of the problem, A, write a system of linear equations to represent the situation. Well, before we can actually solve this problem, we need to know what a system of linear equations is. Well, a system of linear equations is when you have two or more linear equations with same variables. For example, you can't have, let's say, x minus 5 equals 1 and y plus x equals 2. This equation doesn't have a y, so this wouldn't be counted as a system of linear equations, right? So now that we know what a system of linear equations is, we need to now write two linear equations to represent this problem. First, it says 25, but first we can do that. We need to write the variables we're going to use and what they represent. Well, let's say x, that's going to equal pens, and y will equal pencils. So first it says you have 25 pens and pencils. That means pens and pencil combined equals 25. So that'd be written as x plus y equals 25. Then it also says you have 3 more pencils than pens. So that would be y equals x plus 3. Now this would be the system of linear equations, right? We have two equations that represent the situation. They both have the same variables, right? And we got it from the text. So now that we have this, we can now go on to solve part B. How many of each do you have? Well, first we need to use part A to solve this, so let's rewrite the equations for the answer part A. So that would be x plus y equals 25. And then we have y equals x plus 3. Now, what we're going to use is something called substitution. Now, substitution requires that one of the equations be solved for the variable, which we do have here for this equation. Now, to do this, what would happen is we'll basically substitute variables. So it says y equals x plus 3. So then we would take the x plus 3 here and substitute that for the y, which is how it got its name, substitution. And then we would just solve the equation, and that is the first step, and that only solves it for y. So let's do that now. So that would be x plus 3 equals 25, right? And we can't simplify x plus 3, so that would just simply be x plus 3 equals 25. And x plus x is 2x, so that would be 2x equals 2x plus 3 equals 25. We subtract 3 from both sides, leaving us with 2x equals 25. And divide 2x equals 22. And dividing both sides by 2, that would leave us with x equals 11. Let's just write that up here. 11. Now what we're going to do for the second step of substitution is we're going to bring x and we're going to substitute it for what it actually equals, right? And then whatever x plus 3 equals, that would be y. So let's do that. So that would be y equals x 11 plus 3. And that's simply y equals 14. So that means y equals 14. So now that means that we have 11 pens, right? And we have 14 pencils. Now that we have solved this problem, let's review. What did we learn today? We learned a system of linear equations consists of 2 or more equations. One way to find where these lines intersect is substitution. To do this, 1 or more equations have to be solved for a variable. Then substitute what the variable equals in another equation for the variable equal to equal. That is all for this video, so please put in the comments below what else you'd like to learn and like this video. I'll also be posting more videos with substitutions, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and check my other videos out. Bye!